I'm going to make this video to demonstrate the effect of rust on electrical connections. What I've got is my trusty multimeter, and we have a piece of cable. This is an earth cable. It was an earth cable off of a vehicle, and the only bit of rusty old metal I could find was this old car ramp. Okay, I'm going to set this up and hopefully show you, as I say, the impact of rust. So the first thing I'm going to do is to clean off a patch of rust. And hopefully you can see there, that's nice and shiny. So what we've got here is our earth cable. Switch on multimeter. I'm on a reading of 2k ohms, so that's 2000 ohms. So I read anywhere between 0 and 2000 ohms. And just to show you that the gauge is calibrated, the meter is calibrated, sorry, if I put them two ends together, it's currently reading 0, showing it's a closed circuit with no resistance. It's been calibrated to ignore the resistance of the leads. So this lead, obviously being an earth cable, you want it to offer very little resistance, no resistance at all preferably. So I'll just connect that up and you can see the resistance from there has gone to 0. Alright, so whatever resistance there is so minimal that the meter's not worried about it. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so what we're going to do now is mock up a connection on a car. So this represents the bodywork of a car. As you can see, it's gone rusty. I've cleaned up the two areas here, just to show you that there isn't any resistance through there. So if I go through here, connect on one clean bit, have a look at the meter, oops, sorry, connect it here and here. You can see there is actually not a very clean patch. Let's go there. That's better. Alright, very little resistance there. Minimal, in fact, there we go, gone to 0. Okay, so when I've cleaned up the metal, there's no resistance through the steel of our car. So I'm going to clamp my earth connection. Obviously this on a car it would be bolted. I don't want to drill holes, so I'm clamping it with a set of grips. Okay, hopefully you can still see the end of that. And again, we will just connect our meter up. So I've got one lead there, one lead here, and if I connect that on the clean area, you can see there's no resistance, so that's a good circuit. Okay, what I'm going to do now is move this across to where it's rusty. So place it here, it's still very rusty, and this will obviously replicate or simulate a rusty connection. So still connected at this end. If I connect that onto the bare metal, the good clean metal, you can see it's saying I've got an open circuit. Alright, I don't know if you can see that, I'm on bare metal. Just to prove that the cable hasn't broken, if I go to this end, connect it on there you go, it's gone to 0, so very little resistance, no resistance at all. Go to the rust, obviously there's going to be a high resistance. Go to the clean metal, it's still showing an infinitely high resistance because of the rust between here and here.